Which figure comes next in the series? The answer is B. Which string of beads comes next in the sequence? The answer is B. Which of these would help you to breathe? The answer is C, lungs. Look at the folded paper and holes, and pick the figure showing it unfolded. The answer is C. Figure out the relationship between the figures in each pair and find the missing one. The answer is B. Identify the relationship in the first pair of words, then apply it to find the missing word in the second pair. The answer is D. Which figure completes the matrix? The answer is D. Figure out the rule and choose the number that should replace the question mark. The answer is A. Choose the word that is like the others in the same way. The answer is A. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.